Form APIs let you connect to popular services for easy integration. If you already have form elements on your page or you'll want to add them later, you'll need to connect to your form service first. Just click on the Forms button in the top toolbar. And in the Configure Forms dialog, click on the type of service you want to integrate, autoresponder or webinar. Then choose your service from the menu. If you haven't already integrated your service, you'll be prompted to open integrations in a new tab. You can integrate your services or remove them at any time by heading to the dashboard and clicking Integrations in the left-hand menu. Now, depending on the service you connect, you'll be prompted to choose the list you want your form to add prospects to. Now connect the form fields in your service to the form inputs you'll add to your Convertri page. When you select a field type here, that's the field the information will be entered into in the autoresponder or webinar service. If you want to collect information that doesn't have a corresponding field type, you can use any one that isn't already mapped and match it using the Forms dialog. Some form fields are fixed, so they cannot be changed. When you're done, click on Post Submission Redirect in the left-hand menu to enter the URL of the page you want your prospects taken to after they click Submit. Then click Done. Your form is connected to your page and you can now add form inputs. These are the elements your prospects will interact with on the page. So just click on the Form Elements button in the Elements tray and choose the input you want to add first. In the Properties panel, click on Form Field Settings to map your form fields to the values you assigned when you configured your form service. Assigned field types will be shown in bold on the drop-down. Choose your field type to make sure the input is sent to the form service correctly. Choose whether this field is required and whether you want the field validated, i.e. as a real email address. Credit card input form elements are already mapped to your payment processor's settings, so they don't need to be configured. Likewise, submit buttons have only one function, to send any data entered, but you can change the text by clicking General Properties. But be careful, adding a link to a submit button will override the submit function, turning the element into a link instead of submitting the form.